Mama Luna, can we try to bake bread again today? Please!
Of course, little one. Let's gather our ingredients carefully this time.
It's too sticky, Mama. It won't do what I want.
It takes practice, little one. Keep trying.
Do you think it will be warm and fluffy this time?
Well, it's certainly unique.
I'm just no good at this, Mama.
Every bake is a lesson, Sweet Pea. Perhaps we needed more kneading or a bit more patience. See? It's all about finding the rhythm, stretching and folding.
Like this, Mama. Fold, then push.
And patience, little one. Great bread takes time, just like learning anything new.
I understand. Let's try again, Mama. I know we can do it.
Flour, yeast, water, all just right.
That's the spirit, my brave little baker. Just like you showed me. Not too fast, not too slow. This time, I've got it. You're doing wonderfully, Pip. Almost perfect.
Magnificent, Pip. Your hard work shows.
Grow, dough, grow. It grew. It really grew.
Careful now. A gentle touch for our perfect dough.
Now we wait. It smells wonderful, Mama. It's ready. Whoa! Look at our masterpiece, Pip! We did it, Mama! We really did it!
Taste the sweetness of perseverance, my dear.